if my son called me, and he been out here shooting, playing gangster, like Ksoo daddy say, they didn't call the mother nigga daddy. So you goddamn right, nigga, I'm with Ksoo daddy. You want me to throw my life away for my one child, but I got other kids. Son, why you put that in this, man? Nigga, you done just killed the nigga on camera in broad daylight. Son, why you put that in this? But as your daddy, I'm gonna respond to my emotions and come get you to save you. Man, you just put that in a capital murder case. Come on, my nigga. You supposed to take, man, you ain't supposed to try to take this to trial with daddy tell on you after you fought daddy tell on you, my nigga. Come on, you know you killed somebody. That's what I told my brother one time. Come on, nigga, come on, my nigga, you know you killed somebody. You know you did it. Nigga, why you going to trial? Come on, my nigga. So, shout out to Ksoo daddy. Lil Boosie. Shout out to Ksoo daddy. My nigga, you didn't tell me you finna go do this, so don't go kill nobody and call my phone and put me in the mix. As your daddy, I'm gonna come rescue and respond to you. But when you get caught and caught up, come on, my nigga, don't take daddy down with you. Think about your brothers and your sisters. You didn't love daddy enough not to put me in it. You didn't call your mama.
Serve?
About 10 years and 3 months, 4 months.
Okay. So from life to an ultimate actual serving sentence of about 10 years.
Yes, well, it was a law change, and that's how my time got reduced it again.
Well, and your cooperation, sir.
Yeah.
Right? So a pretty good deal you made for yourself.
Yeah.
You've also worked as a confidential informant for police, haven't you?
Yeah.
And you're cooperating in this particular case because it will help you, right?
Right.
Okay. And you were arrested, I think you told us roughly September of 2020.
September 10th, 2020.
September 10th, it sounds like you remember the exact.
Miss Squass, a normal-sized human being, he's huge. But even in this, you can tell he's got a belly. He is out of shape. He is not toned. And, Your Honor, I hope that I can quote what I did the other day when I said the shooter ain't got no ass. He does.
Ksoo's Instagram account. Instagram Live. Black and gray hoodie. You see his hair. See him moving around. Next up, firearm for attack.
All right, Mr. Robinson, based on the verdict of the jury finding you guilty of the offense charged in the indictment in case number 2020 CF 3601, the court does hereby remand you to the custody of the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office, and your bond in this matter shall be revoked.
This is Behind the Clouts, where the streets meet the story, unfiltered, uncut, and undeniable. Today's case is one of betrayal, tragedy, and raw emotion. What happens when a father testifies against his own son in a murder trial? In Jacksonville, that's not just a question, it's reality. The courtroom fell silent on July 28th as Abdul Robinson Sr. took the stand, not as a bystander, but as the star witness against his own son, Jacksonville rapper Ksoo, born Hakeem Robinson. Abdul's words hit hard. It was the hardest decision I've had to make in my life. But the decision had already been made. Facing his own legal troubles, Abdul Sr. accepted a plea deal with the state, a deal that came with a heavy price, testifying that his own blood was a killer. The trial stems from the 2020 shooting death of Charles Lil Buck McCormick Jr., a case deeply entangled in Jacksonville's violent rap scene and gang conflicts. Prosecutors allege that McCormick was targeted for releasing a diss track mocking the death of Willie Addison, Abdul Sr. as stepson, a victim of a 2019 drive-by shooting. In a key piece of video evidence, the state played surveillance footage of the fatal shooting. When asked who was in the video, Abdul Sr. pointed directly at his son. The prosecution painted the murder as a calculated act of revenge, fueled by gang rivalry and disrespect on wax. And in less than 4 hours of deliberation, the jury returned with a verdict, guilty of capital murder. But this story doesn't end here. Ksoo still faces separate charges in another murder case, and his brother, Abdul Robinson Jr., will be tried later for his alleged role in McCormick's killing. To handle the complexity of two defendants, the court employed two juries, an uncommon legal move. Both juries heard a week of intense testimony, separate closing arguments, and powerful rebuttals before retreating into deliberations. Outside the courtroom, the fallout continues. The case has divided the city, exposing tensions between justice, loyalty, and the code of the streets. In Jacksonville's rap circles, it's more than music. It's life, death, and legacy, blood ties, and street pride. When loyalty clashes with the law, who really wins? That's the question we're left with in the wake of the Ksoo trial. Hit that like button, subscribe for more raw street stories, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Was Abdul Sr. right to testify? Or did he break a bond that should never be broken? Until next time, this is Behind the Clouts, telling the story the streets don't want silenced.